Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it is Saturday the 10th of October 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the second week of October. And as you can see, spot gold has climbed up higher with the dollar yen rolling over, and that's because the US dollar has taken a turn for the worse and also weakening. Let's take a look at the DXY US dollar index on a daily time frame, and at the start of the week it fell out of the bullish channel, pulled back up to retest it, and then continued to fall right to the 21.4 Fib retracement level. And if we take a smaller swing move with this Fibonacci here, same swing low with a swing high here, then it's close to reaching the 62 Fib retracement. And if the bearish momentum is still there, then it could just as well target the 78.6 Fib retracement level. So that's going to be a key support area. Now the resistance is going to be at the 38 Fib retracement. Alright, so let's see whether the bearish momentum continues next week for the US dollar index. Let's take a look at the spot gold. And this week there's a number of news from the US with US CPI and PPI on early part of the week, with Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, and then followed by retail sales, consumer sentiment on Friday. So quite a busy week, and you can see that it has managed to find support at the 62 Fib area and managed to climb above the previous resistance zone, and where there was a previous swing high at 1920 and the 50 Fib retracement area. And all this started a couple of weeks ago with support from 1850. So it does look like it's going to continue higher to target the 38 Fib retracement at the 1950 level. Alright, we'll see if US dollar index continues to weaken, then it could support the bullish move for spot gold. And we could also extend this trend line to see where this was the previous upper triangle trend line, and it intersected the previous swing high here, and it has crossed that junction, so it could be a breakout as well. So we'll see next week how this pans out, and to see how far it can extend its move. Let's also take a look at dollar yen. And dollar yen has hit the resistance zone at the 106 level, as well as the previous trend line where it fell up from is come back to retest that, and this now has formed a evening star, so that's a bearish reversal sign, and this could tumble further down back towards 105 area. There is a intermediate support likely at the monthly pivot around 105.33. So, but if it does continue lower due to the US dollar weakness, then yeah, it could come back to retest this swing low here. All right, so this is, oops, let's mark this clearly, 106. And this resistance zone, let's extend this a bit further, and support at 105, and let's have an intermediate support zone here at the monthly pivot. All right, it could also just find support around here and then consolidate in this upper area. All right, so do check out my other videos if on the other major pairs, and we'll see how the US dollar reacts next week with all these news coming up. And have a safe week next week. Have a good trading week, and cheers for now.